Is this water replacement filter worth your money? As a family of 4 who drinks a lot of water, I would say yes. It is definitely worth the money. We go through a filter like this about every 6 to 12 months. Usually on average it's 6 months. For us, we're a family of 4. We just drink a lot of water personally, so that really has a big depending factor on how fast you're going to go through this filter. So if you're going it through fast, then obviously it is going to be more pricey for you. But honestly, for how delicious this tastes and what a great job it does filtering out the water, my kids actually tell the difference of how clean it is versus like having regular non-filtered water. So I would think yes, I think it's definitely worth it. It's water is very important, so I think it's such a great investment for your health. So definitely recommend this one, this replacement one, if you are thinking about getting one for your family. This Osmosis filter is just going to taste so delicious. Personally, I just think it's worth it.